Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can link your VS Code into your GitHub account. So without further ado, let's get started. First things first, you're going to make sure that you already have your VS Code downloaded into your PC, and then you're just going to open the app. Now from here, going to look over to the side menu right here. You're just going to click on manage right here. Now from this manage, like the settings gear icon right here, you're just going to click on sign in to sync settings. Now from here, it will take you to the GitHub sign up page or the sign in page. What you're gonna do is you're just gonna click on continue right here since I'm already signed in GitHub, and then from here, just going to click on authorize Visual Studio Code. Now once you hit on authorize, it will then connect to your Visual Auto Code. Studio Code automatically. Just click on Open Visual Studio Code right here, and as you can see here, I am logged in and my settings sync is on. Now the second step is to download the extension for GitHub. So you're just gonna look over right here at the sidebar once again, click on extensions, and then from here we're going to type in GitHub. Now from the GitHub menu results or like search results, you're just going to look for the GitHub pull requests. So we're just going to try and find it. You can see it right here at the very top, and as you can see, it is being used by 33.2 million users. What you're gonna do is you're just gonna hit on install right here so that it will be installed into your Visual Code. And what this does is to it actually helps to facilitate GitHub pull requests from online. And that's it. That is how you can link your GitHub to your Visual Studio Code. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.